Are you facing the issue of Windows 10 not showing available networks? Don't worry, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll walk you through the steps to fix this problem and get your network connections back on track. Let's dive in. First, let's alter your computer's settings to make it discoverable by other devices. To do this, open the control panel. You can easily find it in the Start menu by searching for it. Once you're in the control panel, type Network and Sharing in the search bar. Look for and select Network and Sharing Center from the search results. Next, click on Change Advanced Sharing Settings. Now, under the Private section, you'll find two options. Make sure to select Turn on Network Discovery and check Turn on Automatic Setup of Network-Connected Devices. While you're there, it's also a good idea to turn on File and Printer Sharing to enhance your network experience. Next, let's check if airplane mode is turned on. Simply click on the network icon in your taskbar. If airplane mode is enabled, you'll notice an airplane symbol. Click on the airplane mode icon to disable it. Once you've done that, your network should become visible again. Try reconnecting to your network and see if you're able to get back online. If the issue persists, don't worry, we have another solution for you. Open the Windows Settings app, which you can find by clicking on the gear icon in the Start menu. Inside the Settings app, locate the Troubleshoot option. Select Other Troubleshooters and look for the Network Adapter listing. Click on the Run button next to it to initiate the troubleshooter. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the issue of Windows 10 not showing available networks. We hope this video has been helpful to you. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tutorials. Thank you for watching.